Greetings, ScriptKidnetworks here. This time in the free CCNA series we are going to talk about DNS. What is that and how it works? Let's get to the video. DNS stands for Domain Name System. DNS is a hierarchical and distributed name service that provides a naming system for computers, services, and other resources on the internet or other internet protocol IP networks. In other words, it just translates a domain name into an IP address. But why should we translate our domain names into IP addresses? That's because the servers don't know a website by its name, but as we know they identify by their IP address. This is what happens when you type a link in your browser. First you open your browser and you type the link. Let's say it's scriptkidnet.com. The moment you press enter, your computer sends a DNS query to DNS server to ask what's the IP of the link you entered. Then the server will search its database to see if he has the IP of the domain name you asked for. If he doesn't, he will ask other DNS servers if they have it. If the server has the IP, it will send a DNS query response, a response that has the IP address of the domain. Now that the computer got the address, it will use it to send a request to the web server. We will talk about this later in the video. The DNS server has a lot of resource records stored in it that are used to resolve domain names to IP addresses. These records contain names, addresses, and other type of records that are used. Some of the types of the records are A. An IPv for address of an end device. NS. An authoritative name of the server. For A's. An IPv6 address of an end device. MX. An email exchange record. Your computer also holds a record of DNS entries. You can see it by opening command prompt and typing the ipconfig display DNS command. There you can see all the records saved. Now let's talk about when your computer gets the IP address. What will it do with that? Firstly, the browser gets the URL of the website. Then the browser converts it into an IP address, and the client sends a GET request to the server for the website. In response for the request, the DNS server will send the HTML file of the website to your computer. And lastly, the browser will convert the HTML code into graphical interface in your window. That was all for today in this CCNA episode. If you have any question, feel free to comment. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you the next time.